And look up there at the moon. Isn't it lovely? If you want to go and visit the moon, you'd have to use a rocket. But that rocket has to leave Earth somehow. And it does so by something called propulsion. So let's find out more about that. So, what do we mean by propulsion? Basically, propulsion is a net force resulting in one object moving away from another. So let me demonstrate this with my shed. So if I push against the shed, I'm exerting a force that way. But because the shed is so much heavier than me, it's exerting a force back hit this way. And as a result, I end up pushing myself away from the shed, which is very similar to the way a rocket propels itself by exerting a force downwards, by the gas expanding, which results in the ground pushing it up. So you can make the carbon dioxide gas to give your rocket propulsion by mixing these two chemicals here. So this is bicarbonate of soda and citric acid. And for those of you who have seen these Fizzy vitamin tablets or used the Fizzy headache tablets, and that's the reaction from those tablets that gives the gas. So let's try mixing them to see what happens. So we'll add the bicarb first, so you can use your spatula. So we'll just try a scoop of that in there, and a scoop of citric acid, and put that in the centrifuge tube. You can see nothing's happening yet. This is because we need water. So you can add some water and you can see all the fizzing there. That is all the gas being given off. So that is what's going to happen inside your rocket. So then, we've had a look at the reaction between citric acid, bicarbonate of soda and water. We can see it gives off a gas. So we know now we can make some gas to fuel our rocket. So now we can make our rocket. So what you need is one of these film canisters and some decoration. So now we've got our rocket, we can take the lid off and put the fuel in. So like before, we had 1 scoop of the citric acid, put a little bit more in if you want, then a scoop of the bicarbonate of soda, and now we've got our dry ingredients in there. We just need to add the water, put the lid on, turn it upside down. So add some water, quickly put that on, turn it upside down and then stand well back. And make sure that you... So that's how you make a Fizzy rocket. I hope you had fun. Please share your photos of your rocket and videos of them going off using the hashtag #TimeForChem. And please check out the other great science, music, dance and other craft activities at Virtual CoCoMAD. Have a great day and thanks for watching. The main safety precaution with this experiment is once you've primed your rocket, so when you've put the citric acid, bicarbonate of soda and water in it and put the lid on, do not look directly down on the canister, because you do not want the canister flying up and hitting you in the eye, because you could cause some very serious eye injuries.